Hello friends, hope so all are doing well, and in this video I'm gonna show you how you can fix Valorant error code WAN 9001 on Windows 10 or Windows 11. So first of all, just don't forget to subscribe and also press the bell icon for more latest videos. So if you are facing Valorant WAN 9001 error code on your Windows 10 or Windows 11, so to fix this error, simply first of all just open start menu and just follow every single step and watch complete video to fix this problem. After following all these steps, just restart your PC and hope so you are ready to fix. So just don't forget to subscribe and also press the bell icon. Thank you for watching.